Hi everyone! Welcome back to Followers Panda. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Twitch video views in 2 minutes, so without further ado, let's get started. Type followerspanda.com and press enter. This is indicated in the description below. Then go to registration and log into your account. Add money to your wallet as I have already deposited $30. Click the Buy Twitch Video Views button. We also provide Twitch viewers and Twitch chatters. After you click on Twitch video views, you will see the pricing. It consists of 7 packages. The basic package starts at 500 views and goes up to 20,000 views. So for this video I buy 500 video views for $1.70. Click on Buy Now. After clicking, you will be redirected to the checkout page. You can see 3 options: change quantity, Twitch video link, and email ID. If you want to change your quantity, you can click on it and change it. As you can see, there are 226 views on this video. Copy the Twitch video link and paste it into the Twitch video box. Enter your real email ID to track your order using your email ID and then proceed to checkout. You will be redirected to a new page. Simply click on Proceed to Payment and you're done. You will then be taken to a page with 3 payment options: credit/debit card, PayPal, and Bitcoin/crypto. I have already added $30 to my balance, so I will make the payment using the balance. Congratulations, you have successfully ordered Twitch viewers. It will be delivered to you within a few minutes. As you can see, the payment was successful. Then click here and you will be taken to a page where you can see that the order has been placed and is now pending. The order will be processed within 2 minutes. Refresh it once and as you can see the order is being processed. To track your order, you will receive an email. Click on Check Order. Let's look at how many followers we have. As you can see now, we have 702 views. You can order now at Followers Panda. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.